Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to compare two top-rated soundbars, the Bowfell and the VIZIO V-Series soundbar. We'll go through different categories to see which one of these is the better pick for you. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and product comparisons. The Bowfell is priced at just $39, making it a budget-friendly option for those who are looking for decent audio quality without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the VIZIO V-Series soundbar comes with a price tag of $178, which is relatively higher than the Bowfell. If you're on a tight budget, Bowfell could be a suitable pick for you. Both soundbars offer excellent sound quality and come with various features to enhance your audio experience. However, the VIZIO V-Series soundbar comes with two full-range speakers that produce 95 decibels of high-quality sound, while the Bowfell offers 50 watts of power. The VIZIO also comes with a wireless subwoofer that delivers rich, deep bass down to 50 Hz, making it a great pick for those who love low-frequency sounds. But if you prefer a more compact design, the Bowfell could be a better fit for you. Both the soundbars offer a wide range of connectivity options, including Bluetooth, optical, RCA, and aux. However, the Bowfell comes with a remote control that allows you to adjust the volume, equalizer settings, source, and more. The VIZIO V-Series soundbar, in contrast, does not come with a remote, but you can still adjust the settings through your TV remote if it supports HDMI CEC. If you prefer a more hassle-free experience, the Bowfell is the way to go. The Bowfell is a compact and slim soundbar that fits perfectly on desks and sits comfortably under your TV. However, the VIZIO V-Series soundbar is designed for small to medium-sized televisions with just 30 inches in width. If you have limited space or a smaller TV, the VIZIO could be a good pick as it will sit comfortably alongside your TV, while the Bowfell could be a good option for those with limited desk space. The majority Bowfell comes with a 3-year extended warranty, registration required, and a hassle-free return policy. On the other hand, VIZIO is a well-known audio brand that has been filling homes with immersive audio for over 10 years. Both brands have excellent customer service and are known for their quality products. That brings us to the end of our comparison between the Bowfell and the VIZIO V-Series soundbar. We hope this review was helpful in determining which soundbar is the better fit for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and product comparisons. See you soon!